It's senior night. Mic check, 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Minor High School and the sounds of Superior Marching Band. Focus your attention on the 2 live crew drum majors, Zoe Nixon and Isaiah Zay Sanders. Tiger fans, show them some love. It's our redemption tour. And it's senior night. We present to you the band that's often imitated, but never, ever duplicated. The standard of high school marching bands. The sounds of Superior Marching Band. The sounds of Superior Marching Band. Getting ready for the show. Coming to the stage, the Tigerettes. This song is the drill of Get Ready by the Temptations. The SOS on our chest that lets you know that we're the best. The feature is by The Tigerettes. The song is Confident by Demi Lovato. It's our Tigerette kick line. The Tigerettes sponsor Miss Anaya King, coaches Miss Lexus Hawkins and Miss Jasmine Little.
Bring it!
Coming front and center, we have the Percussion Section, better known as Purple Rain, the drum line. The Percussion Section instructor, Mr. Kevin Mays. The next tune, Ain't No Stopping Us, by McFadden and Whitehead, featuring the Spinning Divas, the Color Guard. Miss Kalisha Porter and the coach, Miss Kiyoki Triplett. We want to pay homage to the Divine Nine. To be a part of the Divine Nine, this is for you. It's our block band show. Here we go. Any Deltas in the building? What about the AKAs? Check it out. Kappas, alphas, iotas. Check them out. With the tribute to the Omegas, the SG Rose, and the Zetas. The Minor Middle School Band joins the Tigers of the Sounds of Superior Marching Band. One of our favorite tunes. I'm so glad I go to Minor High School, MHS. Come on, fans. Tiger fans, get up on your feet and show some love. You know how it goes. Join in with us. Everybody join in. Here we go. Superior, Mr. Johnny Mims, Assistant Director of Bands, Mr. Tony Devon, and Mr. Frederick Baptiste. Woodwind Instructor, Mr. Matt Barron. Band Booster President, Miss Ann Murphy. Captains and Senior Leaders, Top Tier Katie Young, Antoine Williams, James Murphy, Mackenzie Brown, and Tyra Slaughter. Principal Dr. Yvette Sanders, Superintendent of Schools.